Hi guys, this is Fernando. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a very special material. This material is a world finest serpentine marble called Vermont Verde. The owner of this material, he have a problem with the real image or the real picture of this marble because the very reflection in the marble produce a very flat image. So the solution was to create CG graphics or rendering using the marble to resolve the marketing issue. So in this video we are going to create that marble. The first thing that we are going to do is just rename the material and call Vermont Verde Antique. Okay. The next thing is just click on the M for the diffuse layer and select the texture that the Vermont Verde provides us. So we're going to click test, and then I'm going to select the texture Vermont Antique. So we have the texture here. Create a PV of the texture. The material is already applied to our model, so you're going to see the material in the model. I have kind of issue with my video card, so that's why there's weird stuff appear, but never mind about that. Okay, the next thing is just apply the reflections. The material have reflections, so we have to apply the reflections. Right click on the name, create a layer, and create a reflection layer. And in this option we want to control the reflection in order to avoid even in rendering the excessive reflections. So in order to do that, we are going to select a furnace effect. We already talk about that. In order to control the reflections, I don't want to use a perfect white color because this is produce a very reflective effects. And in my renders, we are going to have a very reflective marble. The goal is to have a real good looking appearance of the marble veins. So we are going to use 75 in the color in order to reduce the reflections there, and that's it. So we have a reflection of 75 here, but this material I want to create some blurriness in order to avoid the perfect reflections. So we are going to add some blurriness in the highlight and in the glossiness, in the reflection glossiness. So I want to reduce the highlight glossiness to 0.75. Now we are going to have glossiness or blurriness in my highlight, and also I want a less amount of glossiness in everywhere. So I'm going to use 0.95. Okay, as we talked before, the reflection glossiness apply glossiness everywhere in the reflections, and the highlights apply glossiness only in the highlight. But if I create that material, if I render that material like that, my glossiness, my highlight glossiness is really low. If I render the material like that, I'm gonna have some noise. In order to increase or reduce the noise in my material, I'm gonna use 32 in my subdivision, and that's it. This is pretty much the material that we are looking for. So the next step is just to make the renders. See what we have. Click render. Just wait a little bit until the parsing time. Here you go. So this is the render is just starting in a few seconds. Here we go. You see we have really nice reflections in my material, and also we have really nice glossiness, but not too much, and not too much reflections. So this is the final material. I want to show you where I use this material. So let me show you the final render for the scene. Here we go, guys. This is a final render for the scene. So I use a marble in the wall, So again, this is a very unique marble called Vermont Verde, and we use this process of rendering in VRay to create a pretty nice marketing image for the marble. So this is Fernando, and see you next time. Bye bye.